Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a 2021 Toyota Sienna, and it's the fourth generation. It's built on it has the internal code name XL40, and it was announced in May 2020 by Toyota that it would be released as a 2021 model year Sienna, and it was originally intended to be revealed at the 2020 New York International Auto Show in April, but instead was unveiled electronically on 18th of May 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It was released on 27th of October 2020, and it got into the showrooms in November of 2020. So this is built on the GAK platform, and it marks a significant change in all grades of the Sienna, in that they will come with the powertrain of the hybrid, which we see in many Toyota vehicles like the Highlander. And despite being a hybrid vehicle, Toyota claims that this fourth generation Sienna can still tow the same 3,500 pounds capacity as the third generation Toyota Sienna models. The fourth generation is offered in LE, XLE, and limited trims. And then you should remember and know there's two additional trims, which are the XSE, and then you have the top of the line platinum trim. So the Sienna comes with optional vacuum cleaner built into the vehicle, a refrigerated compartment, heads-up display, 360-degree camera view on the platinum trim level. In addition, the Sienna can be equipped with a third electric motor to power the rear wheels. Standard and optional family-oriented features of the Sienna include 18 cup holders, 7 USB ports, 4-zone climate control, onboard Wi-Fi, rear entertainment system, power sliding doors and lift gate, and a voice amplification system for the driver for better communication with passengers seated in the back. Standard driver assistance features include an adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. So just remember, this is a 2.5 liter powered vehicle. It's a gasoline hybrid, and it has two permanent magnet synchronous motors, and this put out about 186 horsepower and 243 horsepower, depending on the powertrain that you have in your Sienna. Transmission is eCVT. Wheelbase is 120.5 inches. It is 78.5 inches wide and 68.5 to about 70 inches in height, depending on the trim level that you have. So the Sienna, the 2021 Sienna, is a pretty safe vehicle, and it did very well, scoring good in the 5 categories measured by the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety. Moderate overlap frontal offset was good. Driver small overlap frontal offset was good. Passenger small overlap frontal offset good. Side impact good, and roof strength was good. So it's a pretty safe vehicle. And this one, as you could see, is a fleet vehicle, and unfortunately I didn't have access or the keys, so I couldn't go inside. But I would say it's a pretty complete and nice family hauler, and something to look into if you have a family or kids and you're looking to haul quite a few people with their gear. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.